She's behind the camera, but she's gonna help me. So sometimes strange things happen when me and Sabrina are together, including, but not limited to, the destruction of perfectly good makeup. But instead of destroying things today, we're gonna be creating something. It's gonna be slime. Hey, Sabrina, you wanna give me the slime? This appeared in Sabrina's room. We don't know where it came from, but we're gonna use it. Yay! We're gonna see if it glows in the dark. Kit includes 1 packet of green slime powder. Got it. 1 slime storage container. Got that. 1 instruction guide. 1 learning guide in case you want to learn things. A stir stick. We're gonna read the instructions like a real adult would.
Which we all know Audrey is not. So you don't even try it tonight.
Because children's abilities vary so much, even within age groups, supervising adults should exercise discretion as to which experiments are suitable and safe for them.
I'm supervising.
I'm older than you! Okay, moving on. Slime Science Lab instructions. 1 cup of warm water into a dry mixing bowl, one that will be easy to clean later. While stirring, wait, what? It goes from number 1 to number 2. So you like stir the water and add the slime powder to the water as you're stirring it? This sounds fun. Note, the entire slime packet may not be required. No, but I want to use all of it. I'll just add more water. Use warm water to mix the slime. Maybe it's a good thing I did read these instructions because I might have used room temperature water. Once you start mixing, keep going until the slime has been fully mixed. Wash your hands before playing with your slime. This will prevent bacteria growth and prolong the life of your slime. It's alive! Believe it or not, slime is smart. That's frightening. I don't want the slime to be taking over my house. This is not flubber.
What are you gonna name this one?
I'm not gonna name it. It's just gonna be slime.
What can you name
It'll be my slime.
I want to name it Bob.
I don't like the name Bob, but it's so
Like
stupid.
from Monsters vs. Aliens. What's his name? Benzoate ostilizine bicarbonate.
Why don't they call it Ben? Okay, so got a bowl, and then I got a cup of water that I think is relatively warm. We got this. So we're gonna, yay! Stir the water. And then we're gonna, wow, it is very green.
It glows in the dark.
Does it?
Well, that's what the box says.
We're gonna find out. No, you gotta mix properly, don't. This is not going the way I envisioned it going. Ew, it feels funny.
I told you.
Get off of there. What happens if the whole thing just turns into a lump and you have excess green water? Okay, in a little while, after I have figured out what to do with this, we're gonna find out if it actually glows in the dark. Oh, it's sticky. Hey Sabrina, you wanna see the slime? Here, touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
Please?
No.
Wow! Oh,
Yeah.
oh no. Hey, you wanna smell it?
She's like, grit.
Hey, you wanna smell it?
Does it bounce? Drop it.
Ah! I have a new toy. Squish. Don't mind my fingernail polish. You interested? I gotta go find a closet or somewhere with no windows. Put my slime so I can see if it glows in the dark. Hi Bean. Hi Zuzu. Hey son, what are you doing? Why are you in here? Oh wow. Oh, it does glow in the dark. Wow! You don't care. It does glow in the dark. Look Can you drink a little bit more quietly, please? I'm gonna take it in Sabrina's closet. She's not gonna be happy about that. Don't tell her. Oh, I'm scared of the dark. She has a mess in here. It does, just the slightest bit. You can't really see it that well on camera, but I can see it in person. Okay, I'm scared, I have to leave. Ah! Hey Sabrina, it does glow in the dark. It does, a little bit. So today I made slime and I discovered that it does in fact glow in the dark. So that's really cool, and now I have slime to play with. There's probably, yep, a mess behind me. Hi. He does not care. I'm gonna go play with my slime and I'm gonna have a blast. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up because the button's down here, you know what it does. And also subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later, bye. I'm an adult. Are you done?
Are you done?
It's like, why don't you let your brother do it? Like,
So you have to go get other materials.
it feels so weird.
Pose seductively with your slime.
I don't know how. Vogue.